Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. On a 7-day time frame chart, Bitcoin Cash has already broken out a very long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that, it also broke out this symmetrical triangle. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very nice rally so far from this low when it was testing this support. In fact, this was a quite long-term support zone, starts from $95 and goes to $88. And from here up till this high, you can see that it has rallied more than 716%. And right now, Bitcoin Cash is trying to break out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from $700 and goes to $800. Previously, it has been working as a resistance zone here in the month of Feb 2021. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejection here. We got another rejection here, another rejection here in the month of November 2021. And after this huge drop, the price ended once again reached this very long-term resistance zone after breaking out this up channel. You can see that now the price is trying to break out this resistance zone. And this is the third week that the price is trying to break it out. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Space ID, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 13th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And previously, I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern. And when the movement was quite squeezed and it was testing this quite long-term support zone that starts from $95 and goes to $88. In those days, I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that the price line may break out this wedge very soon. And now you can see that the price line after the breakout has rallied very well. And by the way, when it was moving inside this wedge, we also found another support and resistance of this next symmetrical triangle. And we also broke out this triangle as well. By the way, the target for the breakout from this triangle was here. That was approximately at $270. And over there, we had a lot of resistance as well. And you can see that this $270 has been previously working as a very strong resistance here, resistance here, and here as well. By the way, this is not the $270. This is the $270 resistance, and you can see that previously this one has been working as a support here and almost as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it had been working as a resistance here, support here, and support here. And after the breakdown, you can see it is again flipped into a strong resistance. And after several attempts, finally the price then broke out this resistance here in the month of Feb 2024. And after that, the price then also broke out this very long-term up channel as well. You can see that during this all move, the price line has also formed this up channel as well. And in fact, this was also breaking, this resistance of the channel was also working as a support previously in the month of May 2022. We had a bounce here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, we got rejection here, we got rejection here. And finally, we have broken it out. And now the price line is struggling to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $700 and goes to $800. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this up channel, you can see we have already broken out this channel. And the target for this breakout is here. That is approximately at $1,426. And the final target for this huge breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, that move is by the way still due. That is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $1,600 to $1,800. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.